All right, so in that last example, we can see visually the point of intersection. The point of intersection is the xy coordinates where that satisfy both equations. Okay, so we're looking for a point that satisfies both equations. Okay, that's the key thing here. So most of the time we don't do it graphically. You're not going to go through the whole exercise of graphing the lines, but you can solve these equations by substitution or elimination. So let's do substitution on this next example, and so we have the line y equals x plus 1, and we have another line 2x minus y is equal to 5. All right, so the idea behind substitution is that we just replace one variable with an expression. So here we're told that y is the same, right? It's equal to x plus 1. So when I see y in the next equation, if I'm trying to find the point that satisfies both of these lines, then I can just substitute x plus 1 for y. Okay, so that's the idea here, is that the first equation tells us that y is equal to x plus 1, and then I can substitute that value for y into the y value that is down here. Now, and then in the other equation. Okay. Now, when you do this, make sure you put parentheses around around the expression, right? Because we had y, we didn't need parentheses when it was just y. But now y is x plus 1, so we're replacing the y with x plus 1. Be sure to put parentheses around it. Okay. And so now we have an expression just in terms of x, and we can find x. Right? So now we have to distribute this negative, all right? So it's just like negative 1 times x plus 1. So when you distribute that, you get 2x minus x minus 1 equals 5. Okay, be careful there. That's why you need the parentheses, is because we're subtracting the whole thing, not just the x. And then I can combine like terms. 2x minus x is x. And then I can add 1 to both sides, right? So I'll just add 1 to both sides. So I get x equals 6. All right. Now, we're not done yet, because we want to find the point, which has, and a point has an x and a y coordinate. But we know that y is equal to x plus 1, right? That was our first equation. So we just are going to take that 6 and put it back into the original equation, okay? And we can really put it into either one of these original equations, but the y equals to x plus 1 is simple, right? So so it just becomes y equals 6 plus 1, which means y is 7. So the point xy, the xy intersection point, is equal to 6 comma 7.